Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Just begun. Me wash me face in the river so clean. Ganja leaf in me hand, life feel like a dream. Birds them a sing, breeze kiss me locks. Me give thanks to Jah, no need for clocks. Me nah rush, me nah fuss, just flow. Each breath a blessing, me soul a glow. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Me walk barefoot through the valley of trees. Me chant ancient words while me feel the breeze. No concrete jungle, just earth and sky. No fake smiles, just truth in I and I. Me nah follow fashion, me follow the path. Built from roots and blessed from the start. Me sip Ital tea, burn bush with pride. In a harmony, me and the most high ride. Them try to trap we in a system maze, but we navigate with the ganja blaze. Sound system bumping, heart feels strong. One rhythm, one heart, one righteous song. The world move fast, but we move wise. Gaze in the stars, see Jah in the skies. In the skies, 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 in the skies. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Them a run for riches, me run for peace. Me find the strength where the rivers release. Me nah carry hate, me carry love. Guided by ancestors from above. Fire burn corruption, fire light me way. Each puff of herb, me troubles fade away. Me teach the youth, feel live and learn. To hold the fire till Babylon burn. So if you lost, come follow this flame. Me nah play fame, me play Jah name. Zion echo, sound system high. We chant redemption till we reach the sky. So light it up and feel the breeze. Rasta life bring inner peace. Ay, 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 sound of Zion, ganja blaze, yeah man. Me step out of me yard with a lion heart. Chalice in a hand, be ready for the start. Me now walk alone, me trod with a light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see a youths with no hope, no plan. But me say hold firm, you a strong man. System cold, but me soul stay warm. Me carry the stamp in a roots man farm. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, we stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Me not dep on TikTok fame. Me dep on truth, me dep on name. Me chant for the youth, where bad chance. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, we stand for right. No retreat, we step on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Zion echoes, sound calling high. We not fake vibes, we reaching sky. Me now need crown, me need the truth. Me raise me voice for the innocent youth. Every verse is a seed me sow. Me now wait for system fi grow. Me bring freedom with every line and blaze the earth fi clear the mind. So rise up, step on the ground. Let reggae music be your sound. We not fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here now, chanting the light. Zion echoes, bring the people insight. And when the rhythm drop, feel no fear. We treading strong, Jah love is near.
Oh yo, Rasta smoke Kingston Kush. Inna the chalice, yeah man. Me see her walk on Zion Hill. Dressed in green, she's standing still. Sunshine kiss her lock so neat. Barefoot walking in the Ital heat. She carry chalice and a knowing smile. She say rest your soul, stay a while. Me heart beat fast, me breathe it slow. From the moment me meet her, me know she sweet like ganja. Oh yes indeed, she calm me mind, plant the seed. She blaze me spirit with love and light. Lift me soul to Jah heights. She sweet like ganja, morning dew. Every drop feel like something new. Me empress, me fire, me guide, me way. With she me trod through night and day. She say, come sip from the sacred pipe. Let go Babylon, drop the hype. Under the Aki tree we chant and sing. See the melody in everything. She know wear gold, no diamonds flash, but a heart full of light that never crash. She teach me how to heal, not just high. She the ganja breeze in a me sky. Meditation time, early dawn. Birds are sing and the fog just gone. She boil the herbs and chant one psalm. Me spirit calm, me soul feel warm. We smoke, we reason overstand. We not need Babylon command. Her touch is pure, her words them true. Like the highest grade, me break through. Jah time me, it that on be journey. Show the nails and me zaddes me work. It shy, that the me and me for the mercy. Jah time me body I'll burn. Jah time me, morning dew. Every drop feel like something new. Me empress, me fire, me guide, me way. With she me trod through night and day. Me used to chase things that never stay, but she teach I love in a ital way. Me give her me trust, she give it back. Now we blaze together on one track. She grind the herb in coconut bowl. Pass it to I, it heal me soul. We rise like steam, no stress, no fear. With ganja and love, Jah always near. Jah died me, ki ebon the journey. Through the hills and the valleys, me walk it sham. Weapon on me honey from the mercy. Jah tight man, me arcade a dirt. Jah guide me, morning dew. Every drop feel like something new. Me empress, me fire, me guide, me way. With she me trod through night and day. Jah guide me.
Na 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 na. Rastaman grind the ganja, yeah man.
my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I and I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beating, Babylon falling apart. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, me spirit float. Guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree, sing for the youth, them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we all firm. Like the lion we roar. With every term, we not beg system. We build our lane, plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah not bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul, gold. In this reggae journey, we never fold. Jah bless the people, yeah man. Take out chalices, me sip from stream. Me spirit born in the island breeze, where the coconut sway and the mind find ease. Barefoot and sun, me walk like dream. With chalice lit, me sip from stream. Me nah need clock, the sun tell time. Me heart beat slow in a natural rhyme. Me roll me herbs in banana leaf. Smoke rise high, carry away grief. Every breath me take is a gift from Jah. Every little wave a mystic bar. Me sit pan rock, watch fish them play. Give thanks for the blessing of today. The island spirit calling me home, where the water sing and me soul just roam. No worry, no chain, no fight to fight. Just ganja and love under moonlight. Me nah run, me nah hide, me just float on Jah tide. With roots so deep and vibes so high. Island spirit, me never say goodbye. Me grow me weed in a hilltop sun. Blessed by rain and chant them run. Me share it round, me brethren smile. Inna the smoke, me feel just style. Me drum beat echo through bamboo trees. Me chant with birds, me dance with bees. Me queen bring fruit, me sing me song. Me days feel short, but the vibe stay long. Me no need no app, fi feel me best. Me find meditation pon the west. Me puff, me think, me rise in flight. Island spirit guide me light. Me sip and rock at the end of day. Watch the sunset melt worries away. Me close me eyes, me see Jah face. In a sea breeze, me find me place. Me not drift far, me not drift fast. Just steady boat in a sea so vast. With every ripple, go to river, wash me dread. Me wash me pain, me shake the dead. Me reason deep with roots man wise. Him say Rasta live where truth never dies. Me take them words, me plant them seed. Me live by love, not Babylon greed. Me build me hut, me carve me name in a wooden song. Me claim me flame. Me see me youth run wild and free. Them laugh loud in the almond tree. Me queen smile wide, me cup overflow. Island spirit, this all me know. So when me leave in peace. Me soul well fed, me mind at ease. Me travel world, me hear many sound, but me roots in a island ground. So bless up life and light that fire. Chant the truth, rise ever higher. No matter where me end or start, island spirit living in me heart. Ay, 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 ganja, ganja is the life, yeah, man. From the hills of Zion, it grows so wild, like wisdom whispered from Jah to the child. Me cut it fresh, still dripping dew. Sacred herb, me know you true. Me light this spliff with holy flame. Me not just smoke, me call your name. Jah plant it fi we, not fi them lab. Me burn it clean, me not need tab. Each puff a prayer, each drag a psalm. Me soul get still, me mind get calm. The smoke rise up, me spirit ascend. Me reason deep with Jah as me friend. This is me ganja psalm, me sacred song. Me chant it loud all the day long. Me no hide, me nah feel shame. Me light this fire in Jaja name. Ganja psalm, let it roll. Heal me heart, uplift me soul. Babylon try but them can't ban. This herb belong to Jah, not man.
Them call it illegal, them try for shame. But this herb grow before them name. Before the books, before the law. Herb a grow and me ancestors saw. In a Ethiopia or Westmoreland, it rise from the roots of Jah. Ital smoke in a clay chalice. Me sit in silence, me find me bliss. Me no promote for every man, but who know truth, them overstand. It open portals in the mind, reveal the things Babylon hide.
Me see through veil, me sight get clear. Me reason with angels, them draw near. This ain't no joke, no party puff. This is spiritual, deep and rough. Me chant in a grove where the wind a blow. Me feel earth pulse, me feel Jah flow. Them can't touch me in a space. Me soul shielded by Jah grace. This is me ganja psalms, me sacred sound. Me float like leaf, me not touch ground. Me blaze in peace, me chanting calm. Me link with Jah through ganja psalm. Me burn the fear, me rise above. Me full me lungs with sacred love. Me nah fi hide, me nah fi run. The herb and I, we move as one.
Early morning, sun a shine. Me roll a spliff, fi realign. Me sip me roots, me stretch me limb. Me chant a hymn, me mind no dim. Me teach the youth, show them path. Me tell them truth, me speak fi art. Me show them say, use herb wise. Not fi escape but fi realize.
Ganja is key, not tie, not game. Not just high, but higher aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Unlock soul and set it free. Ganja flame, me light with pride. Me walk in truth, me nah go hide. Me live this way, cause me born this way. Me herb, me Bible, me smoke and pray. Jah bless me cup and fill me bowl.
Let the herb uplift me soul. Me burn this fire in your name. Me sing me ganja psalm again.
Drum, me feel the vibe. In the hills where warriors tribe, circle gather round sacred fire. Smoke rise high like soul's desire. Me elder say, come you take seat. Feel the ground beneath your feet. This ain't just spliff, it's sacrament. This ain't no high, it's heaven sent. Me close me eyes, me spirit soar. Me see me ancestors open door. Them chant and dance in timeless grace. In Naya Bingi smoke me find me place. Naya Bingi smoke circle blaze and rise. Rasta soul fly to the skies. One draw, one beat, one holy chant. Love and unity all we want. Circle full of truth and flame. We burn Babylon but not with shame. Jah guide we step, Jah hold the space. Smoke of wisdom filled with grace. Me nah need palace, me nah need crown. Me need one rhythm fi hold me down. Me need me crew, me need me herb. Me need some space fi bend Jah word. Inna the circle, me release pain. Me tears drop on the mountain plain. But me brethren hold me, me nah fall. Them say rise up, youth stand tall. Drum beat deep like heart of the earth. Each rhythm a echo of rebirth. Me chant don't fear, me chant up peace. In the smoke, me find release. Drum beat talk, fire spark. Wolf now howl when lion bark. We not just smoke, we elevate. We vibrate high, we shift the state. The herbs connect we to Jah mind. Reveal the truth, them try hide behind. Meditation, not just sit. It's fire chant, it's soul commit. Naya Bingi smoke circle pure and wise. Truth in a rhythm, not disguise. We inhale light, exhale stress. We bless the earth, and earth bless. One drum, one draw, one sound unite. We burn in darkness, still shine bright. Gather the brethren, gather the queen. Let the smoke wash we spirit clean. Me float like feather, light and free. Me see the river, run to sea. Me spirit travel back in time to pyramids and ancient sign. Me see Marcus pon the lion throne. Me see Bob singing with tone unknown. Me see the youth rise from despair. Me see the people start to care. Circle na break, we keep it round. Each puff of smoke a sacred sound. Me nah lose self in Babylon's race. Me find me roots, me find me grace. Pass the chalice, pass the flame. We nah smoke fi fortune or fame. We smoke fi connect, fi share, fi heal. Fi turn illusion into real. So next time you feel alone and small, find the drum, answer the call. Circle calling, come take seat. The Naya Bingi rhythm can't be beat.
Meditating at the jungle, yeah man. Walking through the bush, barefoot again. Me feel the drum beat deep like rain. Me spirit touch the dirt. Me know me place. The roots call out in a natural base.
Me light a spliff, give thanks for the seed. Ganja a guidance, not just for need. Me nah rush life, me move real slow. The tree grow tall when you let it flow. Me looking at the mirror of the mountain stream. Me see the youth, me see the dream. Me see ancestors in a mango tree, whispering truths only silence see. Truths don't lie, them hold the ground. Through Babylon eyes, me hear just sound from zinc fence to the hillside high. Me hold me head, me spirit fly. Roots don't fake, them know the way. Through trials and dust, them never sway. So me sing, me chant, me blaze and try to live true love before me die. Me rise before dawn, inhale the steam. Ital pot bubble, sweet roots dream. Me queen they are here in a rap, reading psalms pan coconut lap. Meditation under the Aki shade. Me reason bout the life Jah made. Me nah need no gold, no big estate. Me wealth in soul, me love create. Me plant, me heal, me share me fruit. Me chant rhythm pan a bingy flute. Me children growing in pure vibration with ganja smoke and word sound education. From Africa breeze to Jamaica shore, me feel the same beat, that open door. Drums call me name in a thunder roll. Me roots na fade, me roots na stole. Me now wear mask, me na play game. Me hold me crown, me claim me name. Every song me sing, me plant a tree, so the next generation grow free. Truths don't lie, them bear the truth. Inna every rasta, inna every youth. Them carry stories Babylon can buy. Them hold the key to just sky high. Roots na bend when storm blow hard. Them rise again in Jah reward. So me blaze, me dance, me stand and cry. Me roots hold firm, me nah comply. Me say the earth on me school, every step I test. Me learn fi rest when stress get chest. Me nah compete, me nah pretend. Me trust the soil, me call it friend. Me meet a elder in a Clarendon rain. Him say youth just live and sustain. The roots you know, them carry light. Even in darkest, them shine bright. Me take that truth to heart and mind. Me walk with joy you can't define. Me sing it loud, pan rhythm me tell. Roots not lie, them ring like bells. So me chant in a yard, harp on stage light. Roots guide me step through day and night. Me smoke me herb, me bless me crew. Me roots and love forever true. In a Babylon maze, me hold me sign. Roots don't lie, them always align. Me nah go fake, me nah go hide. Me roots are truth, me soul's true guide.
Ay, ay, ay. Big spliff with coconut, man. Me step in a morning dew, barefoot on the land. Me feel the heartbeat of the earth in a me hand. Me carry no phone, me carry no chain. Just a spliff, a drum and a mind so plain. Me walk through mist and mango trees. Me chant ancient words carried by breeze. Me not in a rush, me in a flow. Me reason with river and let wisdom grow. Me meet an elder by a roots mandate. Him say youth, take time, don't move with hate. Him light a chalice, pass it slow. Tell story about time when the vibes did glow. Me listen close with a humble ear. Each word a jewel, each pass sincere. The path not straight, but it's always true. When you walk with Jah, you find what's true. Through the hills of Iration, me soul finds salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, me levitate. Me heart beats in a natural state. No clock rule, me meditate. find a quiet spring. We sit and write songs for the most high king. No stage, no fame, just me and Jah. A coconut, a fire and the Ital. Me reflect on life, how Babylon rush, how them chase vanity and forget lush. But me know, say simplicity a key to unlock joy and truly be free. We climb to the top of the sacred hill with chalice light and a silent will. Me look down and see the world a spin. Me give thanks, let me live from within. Herbs grow wild and the rhythm plays slow. Drum echo in a valley, let the healing flow. Me inhale truth and exhale fear. Rastafari speak, me ears them clear. Through the hills of Iration, me soul finds salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, me levitate. Me heart beats in a natural state. No clock rule me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. Me chant with birds, me reason with sky. Me live and love till the day me fly. Me rise when sun I kiss the leaves. Me greet me day with thankful grieves. Me no pain, me no joy, me no test. But Rasta teach me how to rest. No need for war, me need harmony. No need for stress, just melody from Ethiopia.
Oi, 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 Kingston skunk smoke, yeah, man.
Me wake up on me earth stranded. Me give thanks for Jah, me kneel and pray. No gift me want, no bling, no ring. Just a little piece, let the forest sing. Me birth now come from system life. Me born of sun, sea and the sky. Me mama strong, me papa wise. Me stand pon roots, me never disguise. Me roll the herb with reverence. Me chant me soul, me find me sense. From me lungs to me medulla, it rise up truth, me feel it fuller. Earth strong warrior rise today. Burn them chains and walk your way. Smoke the herb and chant the fire. Meditate and climb up higher. Rasta born again from pain. Me heal through rhythm, roots and rain. Celebrate life with every draw. Me live in love, me follow Jalla. Me nah born fi concrete street. Me come from hills where yam real sweet. Me granny teach me bush and bark. Me learn fi glow in light and dark. Each year me rise, me grow me dread. Each season pass, me nah lose head. The fire in a me, not from rage, but from the wisdom of the sage. Me honor the drum, me honor the soil. Me honor the hands that sweat and tile. Me drink me tea, me sit and pause. Me chant the psalms, me praise Jalas. Smoke rise up like incense burn. For every lesson me still must learn. Me inhale love, exhale fear. Me vision bright, me heart sincere. Me surround myself with warrior crew. Each one hold firm, each one true. We nah need gold nor gun nor gate. We hold Jah love and that feel great. Earth strong warrior, blaze it bold. Me story deep, me spirit old. Inna me circle, me herb ignite. Me rise like lion, full of light. Me nah bow down to Babylon plan. Me walk proud like ancient man. Me step with purpose, step with soul. Me journey long but me heart whole. Ganja me gift, me sacrament. Me burn it clean, no false intent. Me offer it up to Jaja throne. Me soul and the smoke alone, alone. Me drift to space, me meet me guide. Me ancestors stand by me side. Them whisper say, you're strong, you true. Me see Jah light shine bright in you. Me rest in grass, me hear the breeze. Me soul at peace, me mind at ease. This ain't just herb, this holy vine. Fi heal the body and soul combine. So light the fire, warrior
want me share with you. From hills to valleys, spread it wide. Let Rasta rise and Babylon slide. Happy earth strong to the soul within. Celebrate love, let the life begin. One more turn pan Jaja wheel. Me chant, me smoke, me rise, me heal. Ay, 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 ganja, ganja, smoke with Rastaman.
Sunrise come on me veranda. Steam chalice bubble, no drama. Me open eye, me give thanks for life. Me cut the fruit with me Ital knife. Me no need nothing fancy, just a little breeze. Some roots in a cup and a spliff for ease. Me check the garden, me plants them dance. Blessings drop like jar romance. Me queen cook callaloo with the yam. Me youth them laugh, me heart feel calm. Every little thing a part of just sign. So me chant this line every time. Bless up every time when the sun come true. Bless up every time when the sky turn blue. Bless up the herb and the love we grow. Bless up Jah light and the peace we know. No worry in a mind, no shadow and soul. Me walk with Jah. Me feel old, so me dance, me sing. Me hold the line and me say bless up every time.
Me bonus spliff under the guava tree. The smoke rise like a prayer for free. Me reason with elders, learn them way. Them teach me how to live each day. Now rush nothings, me move like breeze. Life a lesson, you just offices. Me wear me dread like a crown divine. Me vibe too clean, fi Babylon sign. Inna me hut, me read some Jah scroll. Me heart feel warm, me spirit all. Me not chase likes, me chase peace. Inna roots and rhythm, me find release. Me float pan sea like a coconut shell. The current guide me like Rasta spell. Me meditate to the wave them roll. Me bless each breath, me free me soul. The island breeze whisper sweet word. Me hear it clear like a sacred bird. Me see Jah works in the coral reef. Inna every petal, inna every relief. Bless up every time in a moonlight glow. Bless up the vibes when the ganja flow. Bless up the rhythm, bless up the sound. Bless up the people them just surround. Me no need riches, me no want fame. Me just want peace in a Jah name. So me smile, me reason, me write this rhyme and me chant bless up every time. Now ya bingy fire burn at night. Me feel the drumming deep in a sight. Me brethren chanting a sacred chord. Me soul explode in a love overload. Me link with elders from St. Ann Hills. Them tell me about faith and natural skills. Me roll up the herbs with reverence eye. Every puff me take reach just sky. Me not fight no war, me bring one vibe. Me build me life on the love tribe. Me journey long, but me step strong. And me spirit know where me belong. So me hold me youth, me kiss me queen. Me give thanks for everything in between. Me light the fire, me bless the space. Me live me life in a Rasta grace. From mountain top to ocean line. Me say it loud, me make it mine. Me nah go wait for no perfect sign. Me just give thanks. Bless up every time. Na na na, Rastaman is so high. Me rise early, sunrise a glow. Steam chalice bubble make spirit flow. Me give thanks for the breath me draw.
Me chant psalms like ancient law. Birds are sing in a harmony sweet. Me walk barefoot on red dirt street. Me pick me greens from the hilltop side. Ital vibration, me guide and pride. Me no in a rush, me no stress time. Me charge a path like ancient sign. Every breath a blessing, every step divine. Me live with purpose, me reason fine. Ital vibration rising on me soul. Me nah bow fi silver, me nah chase gold. Pure meditation, roots control. Me chant down fear, me smoke fi console. Ital vibration run through me vein. Wash me clean like natural rain. Me nah follow trend, me no play a game. Me chant your name and burn them shame. Me cook me stew on firewood flame. Me feed me youth and give your name. Me build from love, me live from earth. Me know me value, me know me worth. Me no envy who a flask champagne. Me sip coconut under the rain. Me reason with elders both overstanding. Me ground myself while Babylon crash landing. Me plant me food and me harvest joy. Me teach me youth them not destroy. Me smoke me weed, fi clarity mind. Me burn illusion, me seek and find. All is vital, no doubt about that. Me not touch poison from them pot. Me grow me own, me reap me meal. Me live so clean, me spirit heal. Me no need million fi feel success. Me need the rhythm fi ease the stress. Me not in a war, me dey in a peace. Me burn Babylon from west to east. Me trod in a silence, me step is loud. Me soul chant louder than the crowd. Me link up nature, me full me cup. Me give Jah thanks when sun come up. Ital vibration, higher than plane. Me ride rhythm like lion mane. Ganja meditation ease the strain. Me chant in a thunder, me sing in a rain. Ital vibration, me armor strong. Me walk through fire with sacred song. No man can stop when truth belong. Me live this liberty all lifelong. Me wrap me turban, me lock me ear. Me praise Jah Jah everywhere. Me live for Zion, me chant for light. Me blaze me herbs in a full moon night. Me honor me queen, me protect me king. Me listen when I bingy drum them sing. Me live humble, me carry peace. Me know the power of the Rasta speech. Me dep on a mission, not just a vibe. Me build foundation, me build the tribe. Me no sell out for no quick gain. Me hold the line like lion chain. Ital food pamphlet, meditation elevate. No beef, no hate, me chant love before it's late. Rasta liberty, me live through. Me burn lies, me sip dew. In a hills or city view, me Ital life away shine through.
Ay, Rasta VIBES. Inna the truck, yeah man. Backpack, herb stack, walking through the haze. Me take this road in a mystic blaze. Every step me chant up psalms. Just on above, the earth stay calm. No GPS, no plan, no guide. Me follow the breeze and me inner vibe. Mountains rise like Zion sign. Me feel the message in a divine. I'm on a Dubwise pilgrim treading slow. Blazing high and thinking low. From concrete jungle to hills afar. Me follow rhythm like a shooting star. Roll up the leaves, give thanks and light. Inna me lungs, the flame ignite. Me see colors no eye can see. Inna smoke, me spirit free.
No police can jail me mind. Me free as breeze, me unconfined. Me born it for peace, not to escape, but for enter higher mental state. smoke and chant like ancient speech. Me live in time, not in race. Me know Jah light in every face. This reggae music heal the soul. Me story deep, me rhythm bold. And even when the Babylon try, me rise again and touch the sky.
I'm on a Dubwise pilgrim, rootsman style. Walking long but walking smile. Herb in me chalice, chanting me chest. Me charge a road and me manifest. Jack pilgrim in a smoke and sun. Tune forward, always forward. The rhythm never done. Dubwise mission just begun. Jack pilgrim in a smoke and sun. Tune forward, always forward. The rhythm never done. Dubwise mission just begun. Na 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 kaya, everywhere I'm on. Whoa, oh. Fans start early at the golden dawn. Me boots dusty, me spirit strong. Me leave the town fi find some peace, where the rhythm roam and trouble cease. Backpack with love, smoke and song. Me know me journey will be long, but every mile is meditation. Each tree a sign, each wind vibration. We blaze through sacred lands. No worries, just vibes and hands. From Kingston Street to Negril Sand, we follow the call of Jah's command. Roots highway, we rolling still. Through jungle, valley, over hill. No map, no stress, no plan to kill. Just pure reggae love and chill.
Me light it up and pass it round. Me mind fly high but me feet stay ground. Me link up elder in chant a verse about love, unity, breaking curse. Me sip the roots wine, me vision glow. Me eyes see deeper than before. Me overstand this life me trod. It's not just walk, it's walk with God.
Drive slow, feel the bass low. Let Jah guide where we go. Every blaze is praise. Tape every sunset. One more phrase. We blaze through sacred lands with ganja smoke and open hands. From river bend to reggae stand, we carry peace like contraband. Roots highway still we trod. No fear, no change, just Jah and Rod. Me see the truth in every sod. I know me ride is blessed by God. Me park the van neath mango tree. Birds them sing like harmony. Me cook Ital by the waterfall. Me hear creation's ancient call. No noise, no screens, no crowd. Just thunder chanting, long and loud. Me sit with trees and reason deep. Me soul no longer just asleep. Me tell me brethren, take your time. Life no race, it full of sign. The herba teacher, the drummer guide. Let spirit lead, not Babylon pride. Me see the youths, them lost in cloud. Feel like sun fame, them chanting loud. But me say slow down, take a breath. Live true before you meet your death. Blaze through sacred lands, yeah. Me and me crew with art in hands. We nah need no fancy brands, just drum, herb and humble plans. Roots highway, here we stay. Sing till night, chant through day. The journey sweet in every way. Reggae ride, no price to pay. Youth smoke rise like sacred flame. When me vision clear, me soul reclaim. Natural's highway, still me trod. Forever forward, guided by Jah. Dress it pretty but chain still tight. the crowd, but Jah whisper louder than sound. See the youth glued to the screen, trapped in a world that not clean. Them build walls inside your mind, so you not see the chains them bind. We spirit born to fly to Rome, but system built invisible dome. We break it down with sacred song. Roots warrior, me stand strong. Me now wear no chains in disguise. Me not bow to Babylon lies. Me chant for truth till sunrise. Me soul free, me spirit rise. Chains in disguise, them can't fool we eyes. Freedom not come from suit and ties. Me chant, me drum, the blaze the skies. Tear down them chains in disguise. Chains in disguise, me burn the lies. With every beat, we soul baptize. Roots deeper than Babylon spice. Tear down them chains in disguise. They said beware this silver tongue that promise joy but steal the young. Them write laws but break Jah plan. Them fear the power of a conscious man. Money system spin your head, make you forget what ancestors said. But me nah sell me spirit for gold. Me story ancient, strong and bold. Them distract we with division game, but love and unity blaze like flame. Me chant high on mountain top. The system crumble, it can't stop. Them give badge and title name, but we still feel the hidden chain. Not pon me wrist, but pon me mind. Me break it, leave Babylon blind. We not sleep while them deceive. We build new vision, we believe. We drum and heart and roots divine. We tear down Babylon design. Chains in disguise, them can't fool we eyes. Freedom not come from
Zion roots.
step forward, two step back. The system set up for make we laugh. But me not stop, me push the track. Me chant your name, me never slack. Me wake up early, me greet the sun. Me hear the birds, me feel the drum. Me know the struggle just begun, but me no fear, me can't feel run. Me see me people work so hard, them plant the seed until the yard. The system pull the law too hard, but we not bow down, me trust me Lord. The youth them lost, them need a way, them need the light to find the day. Them need a guide, them need a say. So me chant the song, me kneel and pray. The battle heavy, the weight so tall. The pressure rise, me hear them call. Me tell them stand up, never fall. The righteous rise above them all. One step forward, me push ahead. The rise up strong, me done with dread. The wicked plan, me see it dead. The fire burned, the system fled. One step forward, the time is now. Me break the chains, me take my vow. Me burn them lies, me make Jah proud. Me chant it loud, me sing it proud. Word that spin the days move fast. Me hold my ground, me make it last. The wicked scheme, them talk, them trash, but me not stop, me burn the past. Me see the future, me see it bright. Me hold the torch, me shine the light. Me chant the song, me sing all night. Me fight for freedom, me claim my right. Me take we land, them take we gold. Them poison youth, them make them soul. Them change the story, the lies, them told. But we still strong, we still too bold. And me walk on the road where truth reside. Me hold your hand, me trod in stride. Me keep my heart, me keep my pride. Me chant the song, me walk inside. No more chains, no more fall. Me stand up firm, me hear the call. My fight for love, my fight for y'all. The righteous rise, we never stop. One step forward, me lead the way. Me burn the wicked, me clear the day. Me chant your name, me not go stray. The victory near, me hear them say, yeah, 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 yeah. Sayana, yeah, 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 yeah. Sayana, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sayana, yeah, 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 yeah. Sayana, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah,
see the light, me hear the cries. The wicked fall, the righteous rise. Me chant it loud, me break the ties. The fire burn, the people wake. The time is now, me change the fate. Me hold the faith, me burn the fake. Me rise up strong, me nah go break. Me walk through fire, me feel no pain. The struggles come, but still me reign. Them try fi trap with them build the chain, but me break free, me break the game. The system false, me know the deal. Them hide the truth, them sign the seal. Me chant me psalms, me keep it real. Me trod with love, me never kneel. Me tell me people fi hold the light, fi fight the fight, fi live it right. No sell your soul, no lose your sight. Jah guide me steps, me see the height. The mountain tall, but me still climb. Me trust Jah Jah, the stars align. Me chant the song, me feel the sign. The fire burn, the sun still shine. Jah light still shine, me feel it bright. No Babylon can block me sight. Me trod with love, me move in might. Me chant the psalms, me walk in light. Me rise today, me take me place. No wicked soul can touch me grace. Me burn the lies, me keep the pace. Jah Jah bless me, me see the face. Walk around, me see the change. The world confused, the time so strange. Them sell the soul, them rearrange. The youth them lost, the hearts deranged. Me chant the truth, me burn the fear. Me lift me hands, me make it clear. No politician can come me near. Me hold the faith, me trod sincere. Me take the mic, me speak for real. Me break the spell, me crack the seal. This system shake, me feel the deal. Me live in love, me never steal. Them poison ear, them poison land. Them take the soul, them take the hand. But Jah Jah bless we overstand. The righteous trod, we firm and grand. No chain span me, no wicked ties. Me lift me voice, me chant it high. The fire burn, me see the sky. Me trod with love, me never shy. Me break the spell, me set the free. Me call Jah name, me plant me tree. Me hold me ground, me live in glee. The truth so strong, me destiny, yeah. Jah light still shine, me feel it bright. No Babylon can block me sight. Me trod with love, me move in my Zion roots. Oh yeah, me rise up high. The wicked try, but them can't deny. Jah Jah bless me, me touch the sky. The fire burn me, soul never die. Me wake up early, me chant me psalms. Me step outside, me feel Jah palm. The sun a shine, me spirit calm. No wicked force can do me harm. Them push the war, them bring the fight. Them sell the lies, them hide the light. But me stay firm, me trod it right. The truth so strong, me hold it tight. Me light the chalice, me meditate. The system fake, me change me fate. Them build the cage, but me escape. Me move with love, me drop the hate. No chain span me, me rise today. Me trod with love, me find the way. The fire burn, no time for stray. Jah light guide me night and day. Higher meditation, me soul so free. No more corruption, no misery. Me walk with Jah, me hold the key. Me see the vision, me destiny. Higher meditation, me trod it pure. Me feel the blessings, me spirit sure. The wicked plan can't last no more. Jah Jah guide me, me heart secure. Me tell the youth, them hold the vibe.
the land, them blind the people, them change the plan. Me tell me brother, fi overstand. The time is now, fi break the ban. Me burn corruption, me burn the greed. The people suffer, them still in need. The rich get fat, them plant the seed. But truth still grow, me set the lead. No chains on me, me rise today. Me trod with love, me find the way. The fire burn, no time for stray. Jah light guide me night and day. Higher meditation, me stand up strong. No wicked system can't last so long. Me chant me song, me move along. The righteous way, me know belong. Yeah, me say the fire still burn. Me take the lesson, me life take turn. The wicked tremble, the tables turn. Jah Jah bless me, me firm, me firm.